Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you 3 different Stripe Atlas alternatives and the best ways to create an LLC in USA, cheap and both easy and really simple ways. So as you can see, this is Stripe Atlas. So if you don't know what Stripe Atlas is, it's basically a way to start your own company in USA, right? Now, basically, here are 3 ways how you can start your company without Stripe Atlas. So basically, I know a couple of businesses that are doing this for other people and that are doing this extremely well. And first business is Start Global. So Start Global, as you can see, you can start your own company. It makes it easier ever to start a new business by removing lengthy paperwork, legal complexity, and numerous fees. So they will handle your company formation, business bank account, taxes, accounting, compliance, and more, so that you can open up your Stripe account with your LLC, right? And also, you know, they will consult, you can consult with them, and they will tell you how much is their pricing and everything like that. As you can see, if we go here to pricing, we can see that this is one-time payment for everything, right? They do everything for you: name, check and clearance, registered agent, US phone number, formation and EIN, US address and mail forwarding, US business bank account with debit card. So everything is right here at the basically your fingertips, right? So this is really, really awesome, right? And then obviously for maintaining your business, you can actually you know, go with $300 per year. And this is for, again, gross income 25 to 50K, all the way up to 400K, right? As you can see right here. So again, this is basically, you know, everything you need to know, right? It's really cheap to actually have a business outside, you know, if you're outside US, in US, right? Because you're not paying that much tax. You're only paying $300 per year in tax. Now, this is the first platform. Obviously, the second platform is LegalZoom. LegalZoom is great when it comes to creating an LLC, again, in USA. You know, as you can see, you can start at $80 plus filing fees, which is pretty awesome. Now, LegalZoom is one of the most cheapest ways. As you can see, you protect yourself, you make things easier, and you save on taxes as well. Again, this is a really, really great resource if you want to start or create an LLC in USA really effortlessly, right? Now, number 3 is Dula. Now, Dula is actually great. Again, you can easily and really fast create a US business. As you can see, US business formation guaranteed. Now, they will basically do everything for you. Again, as you can see, here are some of basically, you know, their whole team and everything. They have a whole team that runs and grows this business, right? And they can create, again, LLC, C Corp, or any other LLC, again, or any other company or entity, sorry, for your business. What's so good about it, again, it starts at only $200 plus state fees and taxes, right? So these are basically 3 alternatives: Dula, LegalZoom, and Start Global. These are all the best 3 alternatives for Stripe Atlas. Now, if you have any questions, or if you have you know, maybe inquiries, comment down below and I will help you out. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.